Staying hydrated and energized on a keto diet is not just crucial, it's a game changer. The ketogenic or keto diet, as many of you know, is a low-carb, high-fat diet. While it's popular for its weight loss benefits, it can pose challenges when it comes to hydration and energy. Why? Because a decrease in carbs can lead to a drop in the body's water levels. This, combined with the energy needed to process fats, can sometimes leave keto enthusiasts feeling a bit drained. But don't fret. The solution to this common struggle is a delicious and refreshing keto electrolyte drink. Not only does it help replenish the vital electrolytes your body needs to stay hydrated, but it also provides an energy boost to keep you going strong on your keto journey. So, let's dive into the refreshing world of keto electrolyte drinks. You might be wondering, what exactly is a keto electrolyte drink? Well, let's dive right in. A keto electrolyte drink is, simply put, a beverage loaded with minerals known as electrolytes. These are crucial for the body's cellular function and energy production, especially when following a ketogenic diet. Why is it essential? Well, when you're on a ketogenic diet, your body tends to flush out electrolytes at a faster rate due to decreased insulin levels. This can sometimes lead to what's known as the keto flu, with symptoms like fatigue, headaches, and muscle cramps. But don't worry, this is where the keto electrolyte drink comes in. It replenishes these lost electrolytes, helping you maintain hydration, energy levels, and overall well-being. Think of it as your personal power drink, giving you that extra boost when you need it most, while keeping those pesky keto flu symptoms at bay. Now that you know what a keto electrolyte drink is, you must be excited to learn how to make one at home. Making a keto electrolyte drink at home is simple. All you need are a few key ingredients. First off, we have water, the base of our drink. It's essential for hydration and helps transport nutrients throughout our body. Next, we need a pinch of Himalayan pink salt. This is a fantastic source of trace minerals and electrolytes, crucial for maintaining hydration and balancing our body's pH levels. For a natural sweet taste, we'll add some stevia. This plant-based sweetener has no carbs or calories, making it perfect for a keto diet. We also need some fresh lemon juice. It's rich in vitamin C and adds a refreshing tartness to our drink. Lastly, we'll add natural calm magnesium supplement. This will help prevent muscle cramps, a common issue for those on a keto diet. With these ingredients ready, we can now move to the exciting part, making the drink. Follow these simple steps and quench your thirst with a refreshing keto electrolyte drink. Firstly, gather all the necessary ingredients. You will need a 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of no salt or any other potassium-based salt substitute, 1 tablespoon of natural calm magnesium supplement, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You'll also require a sweetener of your choice, like stevia or erythritol to taste. And lastly, don't forget 2 cups of water to mix everything together. Now let's get started with the recipe. Begin by taking a large pitcher or jug. Pour in the 2 cups of water. Remember, hydration is key on a keto diet, and water forms the base of our electrolyte drink. Next, add the 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt into the pitcher. This salt is a fantastic source of sodium, a critical electrolyte that's often depleted when following a keto diet. Sodium helps maintain fluid balance and is essential for muscle and nerve function. Following the salt, it's time to add the potassium component, a 1/4 teaspoon of no salt or a similar potassium-based salt substitute. Potassium is another crucial electrolyte that aids in nerve function and muscle control. It also helps balance the effects of sodium in the body. Now let's stir in the magnesium component. Add 1 tablespoon of natural calm or any other magnesium supplement. Magnesium is well known for its relaxation properties. It aids in muscle function and also helps regulate heart rhythm. Once you've added these vital minerals, it's time to bring in some flavor. Pour in the 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Not only does lemon add a refreshing tang to your drink, but it's also a rich source of vitamin C. To balance the tartness of the lemon, add your preferred sweetener to taste. Whether you choose stevia, erythritol, or another keto-friendly option, remember to add gradually. You can always put more, but you can't take it out once it's mixed in. Now that everything is in the pitcher, give it a good stir until all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed. Make sure the salts and the sweetener are fully dissolved. Once everything is mixed well, pop your drink in the fridge to chill for a while. You could also serve it over ice if you prefer. And there you have it, folks. A simple step-by-step guide to making your very own refreshing keto electrolyte drink at home. Not only is this drink delicious, but it's also packed full of essential electrolytes that will keep you hydrated and energized on your keto journey. And there you have it, your homemade Keto Electrolyte drink. This isn't just a tasty drink, it's packed with benefits. One of the major advantages of this Keto Electrolyte drink is its ability to help with hydration. When following a ketogenic diet, it's crucial to stay hydrated. This is because carbohydrates usually help hold water and sodium in your body. When you limit carbs on a keto diet, you may find yourself visiting the little boys' or girls' room more often than usual. This can lead to dehydration if you're not careful. Our Keto Electrolyte drink helps maintain optimal hydration levels by providing your body with essential electrolytes. Electrolytes are minerals that carry an electric charge. They're vital to many of your body's key functions. They help balance the amount of water in your body, balance your body's pH level, move nutrients into your cells, and remove waste from your cells. This drink is a powerhouse of electrolytes, including sodium, potassium, and magnesium, that replenish your body's stores lost through sweat and urination. Next, let's talk about energy levels. When you're on a ketogenic diet, your body switches from using glucose as a primary energy source to using ketones produced from fat breakdown. This drink, packed with healthy fats from coconut water, can provide a substantial energy boost. It's like a natural, keto-friendly energy drink. Finally, this Keto Electrolyte drink is a fantastic tool to help combat the dreaded keto flu. When transitioning to a keto diet, some people experience flu-like symptoms such as fatigue, headache, and irritability. This is often due to a decrease in electrolytes. By replenishing these electrolytes, this drink can help mitigate keto flu symptoms, making your transition into ketosis smoother and more comfortable. In a nutshell, this Keto Electrolyte drink is your one-stop solution to stay hydrated, replenish electrolytes, boost energy levels, and combat keto flu. It's a great addition to your keto diet, not only for its numerous health benefits, but also for its refreshing taste. So the next time you need a boost on your keto journey, you know what to make. A keto diet doesn't have to be hard, especially when you have the right tools. We've spent the last several minutes exploring the refreshing world of Keto Electrolyte drinks. This simple DIY recipe is your secret weapon to staying hydrated and energized while on a keto diet. Think back to the ingredients we discussed. Natural, easily accessible, and packed full of essential electrolytes your body craves on a keto diet. Then, we walked through the recipe step by step, demonstrating just how easy it is to whip up this homemade electrolyte drink. We also delved into the benefits of this drink, including combating the dreaded keto flu and ensuring your energy levels stay topped up. Now it's over to you. Try this electrolyte drink recipe at home. It's a game changer and we're sure you'll feel the difference. Remember, staying hydrated and energized on a keto diet is easy with this refreshing Keto Electrolyte drink. Give it a try and feel the difference.